Welcome. In this video, you're about to learn some interesting things you may have never heard of before. So grab some tea, buckle up, and let's have a go. Only 1/4 of the Sahara Desert is sandy. Most of it is covered in gravel, though contains mountains and oases. Something else people get wrong: it isn't even the world's largest desert. Antarctica is. There are more Indian restaurants in London than in Mumbai or Delhi. Currently, there are around 15,000 restaurants in the UK, most of them being in major cities, specifically London. For those that serve Indian food, most of the owners are of Bangladesh descent. Glaciers and ice sheets hold about 69% of the world's fresh water. So to find the bulk of the world's fresh water, you need to trek to the poles. We are the minority of the total sum. What I mean is, people who are currently alive today only represent about 7% of the total number of people who have ever lived. The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii. If you're an avid rainbow gazer, then head to the islands. A 2021 study noted that Hawaii's mountains produce sharp gradients in clouds and rainfall, which are key to abundant rainbow sightings. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was negative 144 degrees Fahrenheit. It was recorded in Antarctica by researchers doing fieldwork between 2004 and 2016. Just a few breaths of air at that temperature would induce severe hemorrhaging in the lungs. People aged 60 years and older make up 12.3% of the global population. With advances in healthcare and longevity, that number is expected to reach 22% by 2050. Cats have an extra organ that allows them to taste scents in the air, which is why your cat stares at you with her mouth open from time to time. Nothing to worry about. Pound cake got its name from its recipe. The early recipes of pound cake called for 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of eggs, and 1 pound of sugar. That's a big cake. For every advertisement for an Apple iPhone, the time will be set as 9:41. This is the time that Steve Jobs announced the very first iPhone back in 2007. Marie Curie was the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes, one for physics in 1903 and the other for chemistry in 1911 for her work on radioactivity. 1 in 4 hazelnuts ends up in Nutella. That's right, Nutella spread is so popular that it's estimated that 25% of all hazelnuts end up in a jar. Some universities are trying to grow them in labs to negate global shortages. So what did you think? Comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, mate.